Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Adunni of ADUNNI'S Space again, and today we are going to be making this beautiful hairstyle together, and I just can't wait to share all the details about the extension and the hair with you guys as we proceed in today's video. Make sure you watch up until the end. So for this kinky twist, the extension I'll be using is this human hair afro kinky bulk hair that I made a full review of it in my previous video. I will have that link in the description box for you guys to see if you haven't seen it. So basically this is me just prepping the hair, and it is actually a very soft extension, just as the name says. It's human hair and it feels very close to your natural hair. And for me, you know that I would always section out my extension before I start anything at all. So you just want to make sure you keep watching. The video is very well detailed and self-explanatory, and I'll be back to make more explanations to you guys. So I went ahead to moisturize my hair that has been washed and dried. You want to make sure you actually moisturize your hair before starting any protective hairstyle. And what I did was to go ahead to prep my hair by parting it into three, the back into one and the front section into two. I honestly can't wait to get my hands on the mirror. That will make it easier for me to start parting my hair myself, because I actually do enjoy making my hair myself. So this is what you can see me doing in this clip, just basically prepping my hair. So to start the kinky twist, you want to take the section of your hair and the section of the human hair kinky bulk hair and grip it with your hair from the roots, and you want to braid it about 3 to 4 times to give you a firm grid, just as you see me doing in the video, before you now go ahead to start twisting it. So as you guys can see, that just braiding it 3 to 4 times really helped me have a good grip from the roots. And you just want to make sure that you keep twisting it downwards until you get to the tip of the extension. I'll show you guys one more time how to do that, so you want to make sure to keep watching up until the end. And yes, if you have still not clicked the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button. Join this family so you can learn new hairstyles and how to care for your hair on a weekly basis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. So guys, this is the final look and I absolutely love this hair. It feels as though I twisted my natural hair, like the longer version of my natural hair. So I'm going to go in to just spray water over it, and spraying water over it makes it feel so soft. Like, it feels so soft. I was sharing like the fallout from this hair and the fallout from my hair with my husband, and I asked him to tell me which one he thinks is my hair. Guys, he picked the Afro bulk human hair as my hair texture. And I'm like, excuse you, that's the extension, not my hair. And it's super lightweight. It is also reusable. So you're getting value for your money. Yes. So I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think in the description, in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in my very next one. Make sure to click the subscribe button before leaving the channel.